Pisces, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well. And welcome back to 1111 Pinoy Tarot. Tingnan natin ang inyong romantic connection between you and your person. Let us see what's happening. Pwede niyong panoorin ang inyong moon, rising, and Venus placements. Thank you so much, Pisces. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell. Let's see how your love life unfolds and what you can expect. Ano yung mga strong energies and messages for Pisces, please. Pisces. Energies and messages for Pisces, love, and romance. Merong regret. I wish this never happened. Okay, merong pagsisisi. Ano kaya yun? Okay. Merong realization na nangyari. Okay? Inseparable. Our love is always there despite the distance. Long distance relationship. Irreplaceable. The way you love can never be matched. Wow. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, hindi ka nakakalimutan or makakalimutan ng inyong person, okay? You are different from the rest, okay? Chaser. I don't want to chase anymore. Meron nang napapagod, okay? Yung iba sa inyo, napapagod na yung person nyo, okay? Kakaantay ng confirmation or validation ng inyong nararamdaman sa kanya. Okay? Chaser. Napagod din siya or ikaw, Pisces. Or maybe the love and passion has stopped in your situation. Tingnan natin ano yung messages for Pisces. Love and relationship, love and romance. Express yourself, Pisces. Or ito yung kailangan ng person mo. Kailangan niya express kung ano yung gusto niya, kung anong nararamdaman. Okay? Merong blockages. Your person, okay? Ikaw yung pangarap ng person mo. Gusto lang ng person mo na maging masaya. Kayong dalawa. Merong pagkakaintindihan. Okay? Merong friendship and love. Okay? Yeah. Yeah. Your person wants to fight for your love, okay? and affection. Okay? But at the same time, gusto niya parang maging casual lang din ang relationship nyo. Okay? Parang tinatago niya lang ang kanyang tunay na nararamdaman. Gusto kanya, okay, Pisces. Pero at the same time, gusto niya rin na parang maging casual lang ang dealings nyo sa isa't isa. Okay? Someone is disappointed and sad because someone is umiiwas, okay? Dahil merong silent treatment. Okay? There is love and affection na nararamdaman sa isa't isa. Okay? Just take what resonates. Pisces, is pwedeng person mo to or ikaw to, okay? Or both of you. But you know, kailangan pakiramdaman mo din kung anong nangyayari sa inyong sitwasyon. Okay? Follow your intuition. Emotional stability ang kailangan sa ganitong sitwasyon, Pisces. Merong someone na i-reveal or gustong sabihin ang kanyang nararamdaman, okay? Sa ngayon, parang sinisikreto lang, pero merong magsasabi or magre-reveal ng kanyang nararamdaman, ng kanyang affection, ng kanyang care, okay? Pisces, Ten of Cups. Yeah. Your person feels that you are going for something, okay? Kung ano makakapagpasaya sa'yo, kung ano yung goal or yung ambition mo, Pisces. Yeah. And that is something na parang merong disappointment sa inyong person. Gusto niya maging close kayo, gusto niya kayong gusto niya na magkasama kayong dalawa, okay? Yes. Your person feels na masaya ka ngayon, na meron kang gustong abutin, okay? Your person feels na masaya ka na wala siya. Okay? Yeah. Yes, tinatago lang ng person mo na mahal ka niya, okay? He or she wants you to stay. Okay? Gusto niya kung ano ka sa kanya before, ganun ka pa rin sa kanya. Okay? Ayaw niya ng changes. Gusto kanyang ipaglaban, okay? Pisces. Pero hindi niya inaamin, hindi niya ina-express. Okay? You are connecting to a mature person, okay? Loving. Marami siyang pagmamahal, pero hindi siya ganun ka-expressive, hindi niya pinapakita, okay? He or she cares for you, pero hindi niya na-express. Parang kunyari, hindi siya affected, okay? Kasi gusto niya parang casual lang. Yeah. Your person, gusto kanya makita palagi. Very determined siya. Gusto niya maging successful ang inyong relationship, okay? Gusto niya merong pagkakaintindihan. He or she is willing to work things out with you, okay? Gusto niya makipag-cooperate kung anong gusto mo, Pisces. Yeah. Determined siya. Okay. Alam niya kung ano yung risk, pero parang hindi niya tinitingnan din yun, okay? Kasi mahal ka ng person mo, gusto niya i-work out yung relationship or kung anong meron kayo, okay? That is for some of you. Yeah. Matalino ang person mo, Pisces, okay? Alam niya kung anong nangyayari sa inyo. Mataas ang kanyang intuition. Very intuitive siya. Feeling niya meron kang ibang gusto, okay? Meron nang nagpapasaya sa'yo. Okay? Two of Wands. And then, Emperor. Okay. Pisces, yung iba sa inyo, merong malaking age gap, okay? You are dealing with a mature person, okay? May mataas na posisyon sa isang trabaho, a leader, a planner, a decision maker. Yeah. He or she is looking at you. Ayan o, tinitingnan ka niya, pero ikaw, you have other plans, okay? Parang may iba kang plans because you are looking this way. And siya, tinitingnan ka niya, okay? He or she is being observant. Pero umiiwas ka, Pisces. Parang meron kang ginagawa behind the scene or hindi alam ng person mo, okay? Yeah. Maybe you are being secretive, Pisces. But you know, there is a chemistry, extreme chemistry sa inyo ng person mo. Okay? Seven of Pentacles. Someone is bored. Parang feeling niya hindi na to mag-work out. Someone is waiting for you, Pisces. Okay. Merong silent treatment. And someone also is thinking kung paano i-nurture ang relationship, paano i-maintain, okay? Are you going to stay with him or her? Okay, ganong energies. Just take what resonate with you, Pisces, okay? But the person, mahal ka ng person mo, merong attraction, okay? Gusto niya i-work out. Kung meron man kailangan i-fix sa relationship, gagawin niya, okay? Determined siya na magstay ka sa kanya or sa relationship nyo. Maybe you are dealing this person in a workplace. Three of Pentacles. Seven of Pentacles. Okay. Parang may kailangang desisyonan, okay? May kailangang desisyon na gagawin, okay? But it is yet to be revealed. Yung iba sa inyo, nag-aantay lang din yung person ninyo for the right time, okay, na maging settle or maayos yung sitwasyon bago niya i-reveal kung anong kanyang nararamdaman, or this is the other way around, okay. Merong mag-open up, okay, pero hindi pa to na-reveal. Mag-open up na kanyang nararamdaman, okay. Siguro hindi niya na kaya yung energies, gusto niya na sabihin, pero pinipigilan pa niya, okay. But it will be revealed to you sooner or later. Seven of Swords, yes. Harapin ang kailangang harapin, Pisces, okay? Definitely, may feelings ka sa person na to, and vice versa. But it seems na parang secret or tinatago, or someone ayaw harapin ang situation, okay? Parang umiiwas. Someone will be communicative about their feelings. Straightforward. Okay. Yeah. Maging honest lang, no, sa nararamdaman. So honesty is needed in this situation sa inyo sa relasyon na to. Merong i-reveal ng kanyang totoong nararamdaman. Feeling niya kailangan niya ilabas to or express, otherwise madidisorient siya, okay? Kailangan niya sabihin para magkaroon siya ng peace of mind. Yeah, you are dealing with a person na mas mature sa inyo, merong age gap, okay? Merong umiiwas or merong secret feelings din at the same time, pero hindi hinaharap, kumbaga, hindi niya fini-face head on kung anong kailangan i-express or sabihin or anuman ang kanyang nararamdaman. Someone has exciting plans in his or her life, okay? Pero hindi pa sinasabi. Okay. Okay. Mahal ka ng person mo, Pisces, pero hindi niya lang nasasabi ng diretsa. He or she cares for you a lot. Okay. Pero he is just keeping it casual hanggat maaari. Pero may magre-reveal ng kanyang nararamdaman in the near future. Okay? Sekreto. I-reveal ang kanyang nararamdaman. Gusto niya i-work out ang situation no matter what. Parang willing siya. Alam niya yung mga risk, pero calculated risk. Alam niya yon. Okay? Tingnan natin. Problema lang is walang pag-uusap, no? Merong silent treatment. Someone is bored already of the situation. Parang walang movement, walang growth, walang excitement. Let us see messages, additional message for Pisces, please. Manifesting miracles. Your dream is soon to become reality. Trust your heart and continue to follow its guidance. Okay. Secret admirer. Someone has deeper feelings for you than they are letting on. Okay. Parang confirmation to. Secret admirer. Merong may gusto sa inyo. Imagine all unwanted thoughts dissolving into light, creating room for new opportunities and possibilities for your life. Okay. So, these are the messages for you, Pisces. Maraming salamat sa inyo, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!